Rahmat Ananto Cakrono. Including government, we have Universitas Brawijaya, which are Delia, Juanita, and Rahmat Cakrono. In opening of the mission, we also have two great debaters from Universitas Malang, Ina Indra and Ferry Kurniawan. Please come forward. And lastly, in closing of the mission, we have Universitas Negeri Surabaya, Desi Dwi Setiawan and Lasmi Dwi Yoga. Speech, there will be one bell again to indicate the time for POI. Next one, the speaker may give POI no more than 15 seconds. The time for giving POI is between the 7 minutes and the 6 minutes. Bells ringing twice means the time of POI is over. And lastly, long bells indicate that the speaker may finish their speech. Ladies and gentlemen, the motion in its final round in local English debate this evening is this House would then birth certificate for the child of adultery. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, to begin the case of the government bench, please welcome the Prime Minister to deliver the speech. Rahmat Ananto Cakrono, time is yours.
We need leaders when we want our happy and happy audiences in this very night, tomorrow, and a very history. In this usually we are going to debate on emotions, this household, that the birth of videos for the child for the adultery. Is that we say as the open government, we are totally agree and support this emotion. But first of all, let's take a look what really happens in the real life right now, especially in our country. That you can see there is very average, but now many number of flats of resets, which is done by a lot of young generations in our country. And sadly, there are so many members of the children are being the victims of these actions that children sometimes being left behind by their parents, or even there are so many children are being bullied just because the essence of the birth certificate as a part of their study card in where they were belong to the specific job. Therefore, we think that this is really problematic to begin with because these problems can happen continuously at a specific job. So in my speech, I'm going to talk about why this is in line with the agenda of the government, while the speaker will talk to you why this is definition of motion. Birth certificates. With the birth certificate is a form of legal document which is issued by the local government of India as a form of a legal certificate where you were born, your conditions, and who your parents are as a part of your social background. And adultery means that an act which is really bad and immoral to begin with, which is coming from getting from that level of variation people that is done. But it is my first attention why this is actually this law already out of the law and also the regulations from the government. We don't feel in this beautiful country, especially in this country, if this beautiful visa is consisting of a lot of the law and also the regulations as well. And we think that the law and also the regulations are being created by the government of Indonesia based on our regulations and whatsoever that is done. Which is the idea of the law itself is to regulate and also stabilize the existence of the citizens in this country to begin with that is done. The moment that you must understand is that the government only acknowledges the existence of the legal barriers of the job. And we think that giving birth certificate is a form of how actually is a form of giving it is a form of acknowledging that the citizens are doing because they already because already they follow the regulations that already been set up by the government and the citizens job. Therefore, we believe that by not giving the birth certificate for the children for the child of the children itself, exactly it will bring a better for this country that we at the end of the day will settle will give the preventive action to the job. Why is that so? Because after this, why is that so? Because the moment that when those parents already deny the rules and also the regulations of the government, is that they deserve those kind of punishment when you look at the job. Because in the way as a even if pushing the house already very understand because they think that children are being born without an accident or what, so that's because it is the business of the parents. Therefore, children do not deserve this kind of idea as a job. That will be like very sexy. So we think that as a leader itself, is that like what we do now, the old say that the government will be asked for the law responsibility in the house of the job. We need exactly that the government already knows that the society to be something which is already not on the law and the regulations is that we need those regulations to be done by this government doing this and the government. And we think, and why we think that sometimes sacrifice another stakeholders is right to really good at the job. Because like in the, kind of way that I would say that the ulama which means that preventing the deprivation is to be more prioritized instead of the architect regulation. Maybe a position to say that we are planning to do this for the children in the future, but instead of that, just because there are so many regulations, so many ways for to be done by the government, but unfortunately, in the reality right now, those kind of number of children we're working with the money is happening continuously in the job. Therefore, we think that this is the only way that it is those kind of training back and also give those ways that is not okay to be there. It is important conversation. Sometimes when the children see not for the parents, for example, at the job, they do not need to sacrifice and not acknowledge for the parents because it is only that the United States will be to the parents, for example, in the US job. So it is better off. So it will be better if those children be taken care of with the government to the government outside of that. Then at the end of the day, children will have to go up with that motivation with the new life and everything that will do with them. For example, just about the you are the children that give us the result of the choices and so forth. So sometimes we are really seeing this kind of historical background. It's much better for the management of the children in the future and how the children will start to do life will continue without any stables of who are doing their bad, who acting their bad work and the bad citizens of justice. But if we consider our relations, even if the parents are really this kind of thing, for example, they will attest to you that by bringing the birth certificate is not the proper punishment for the children that are in the town. But that's so. At the end of the day, parents will think twice. Parents will identify and will boost their moral responsibility taking care of the children. Because they believe that people like, oh, if the children don't have any kind of birth certificate, is that they cannot access their future? Is that they cannot do innovation and so on? Exactly. This kind of social punishment really boosting for the spirit of this parent taking care of their children. So from this kind of idea, we have to government and what I
The Prime Minister spent 7 minutes and 20 seconds. And as we begin of the bench, please welcome to the leader of the mission. Ina, the stage is all yours. A round of applause for her, please.
Waalaikumsalam.
Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I want to make some clarification about the RMC. These are how we consumption upon the idea of residency should be considered for parents and children. Why? Because with residency, sometimes is the event that should be possible for the people who are committing crimes and children. If they are trying to modify about how they end up with this problem and some of the things that we are affecting someone and children. With this, it is possible to be accurate of the people itself. Even if the rest of the parents will understand by having another working on the job, there's no that already uploaded parents because we have to which can follow the job. With the necessary or how they could go to Shakti, there is nothing is quite down in the job. This is also happening to another follow the job. Why? Because we will not obviously as an estimate is not in the also place the technology in the job. We should place the technology just because every single problem that already done by the parents cannot be transferred to the children without the job. Second contribution. With the necessity, how? By setting this technology, personally, we would like to spread the unjust punishment for the children without the job. Now, what is the unjust punishment without the job? Now, with the necessity, when the parents already uses the authority in the form of dinner or the job. With the necessity, this technology will have such kind of public participation in the job. Why? Because we think that the society will look at this technology and also we will make a lots of impact to the children. Why? Because the technologies are not thinking with the other people. Because the others only have to participate, but the technology will not have a person to take part of the job. This